In this question, you're asked to add 0.32 and 5 and 3.2 and then square that. So let's start with the addition first because we need to use order of operations. So we'll write down 0.32. Then we have 5, which we can write as 5.00. So I like to add these additional zeros, keep everything in columns, and you need to ensure that your decimal points are aligned as well. And then we've got 3.2, so 3.2, add that additional 0. Now all we need to do is just add those together. Well, we get 2 here. 3 and 2 is 5, remember that decimal, and 5 and 3 is 8. So the first thing we get is that 0.32 plus 5 plus 3.2 squared is equivalent to 8.52 squared. So now I need to square 8.52. Now I'm going to use the grid method. So let me just switch on my little box here. And I've got 8.52, so 8.52 and also 8.52 here because we're squaring. And I need to multiply, so 8 8s are 64, 5 8s are 40, 2 times 8, well that's 16. 8 times 5 is 40, 5 times 5 is 25, and 2 times 5 is 10. We've then got 8 times 2, which is 16. We've got 5 times 2, which is 10, and 2 times 2, which is 4, so we need to write 0, 4 in here. Now we need to add diagonally, so we've got 4 here, there's a 0 here, we've got 6, 7, 12, 13, 19. So 9 down, carry the 1. I always like to write the ones nice and big as well so I don't miss them. We've got 1, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 4, 8, 12. So 2 down, carry the nice big 1. And 6 and 1 is 7. Now the last thing to do is to work out where I need to place this decimal point. We have a decimal here and a decimal here, so let's go down vertically and across horizontally until these two decimals meet at this point here, and then we follow this diagonal line down to here and we get 72.5904. So the final answer on this one is 72.5904.